Trades. If you have not subscribed or like, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So today, one of the topic today I'm gonna talk about is Fibonacci number, Fibonacci sequence, right? So a lot of people use Fibs, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to use it and what does it mean and how it works. So let's get it started. So if you went to high school, if you remember high school, college, you probably came across Fibonacci number. So what is Fibonacci number? Basically start with 0, 1, and you just keep adding the previous two numbers. See, 0, 1, then 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, right? That's a. And what is a Fibonacci? So this is just the Fibonacci. One of the mathematicians kind of invented this, and what they found was lot of in nature, lot of things kind of this Fibonacci number, lot of things in the nature are found somehow in the ratio of that Fibonacci. And there's like roughly few important ratio which are basically like 0.3, 0.6, and there's few, right? Yeah, 38.2, 50, 61.2. Those are the key important levels. And in stocks, it has been found that mostly 50% and 61.8% are a major level for Fibonacci, right? So why it's important? So somehow, I mean, if believe it or not, a lot of things found in the natures has a kind of they have some property where Fibonacci kind of act perfectly. For example, take honeybee. I just saw that, but that I found it quite interesting. If you divide the female bees by the male bees in a any given hive, you'll get 1.618. Look at that, 1.618. That's an important number, right? So if you, that ratio is always also a human body, I think heart is located exactly at one of the ratio. So a lot of things in the nature you can find. I found some few things interesting in the nature. So somehow I think the fertile infertile period is a sequence in Fibonacci sequence. That's interesting. And the others was, I'm not sure what it is, but and this elm, cherry leaf, and pear tree, that's interesting. So those are a few interesting fact, and these are leaves of some plants. So a lot of things are found in the nature are found in a Fibonacci sequence. And exactly that's why I think like financial systems also, they found that Fibonacci that ratio act as a strong support and resistance. That's why it's important. So let's get it started with our not what is Fibonacci, but how to use that and more about it. So let's get to crowd, right? Okay, so that was one of the stocks. So crowd. So how do you draw Fibonacci? In pretty much every platform you should have a tool, but if you are in a trading view, you can go is go here. See, you go here, you click here, you will see Fibonacci. I already have Fib retracement, right? Click here, Fib retracement, it's already here. You can just click it, Fib retracement. Once you do that, what you do is you go to swing high and swing low, right? For example, the stock is right here. Where do you think it's gonna go? And if it's going up, where do you think it's gonna stop, right? So all you do is right here. That's all you do, right? Yep. So basically I'm doing this. That was a swing high, this is a swing low. I just grabbed this two candle touching it, right? And you can see that it went up, and look at that, exactly at 0.618, right? Exactly at 0.618 it acted as a strong resistance, and it bounced back again, right? So we are going up. What could happen? We may actually bounce back right from there, right? So this is a strong resistance. Also, this is a lot of people use it, right? A lot of people use it as an so its stock is right here, all-time high. Where do you think, right? A lot of people take profit as 1.23, 1.38, 1.5, and like that, right? So we're gonna look at one more ticker. So Datadog. Okay, Datadog has a nice sell-off after the earnings, but if it was not, then let's say we are here, then we pull back here. Where do you see? Again, you can use the exactly same thing, right? Grab it at the top and go to the bottom, and look at that. Here it went up to 50, right? So usually it's an area. Always don't fixate it to the exact point, but it's an area. Like usually they have found that 0.5 to 0.61 to be very important key area. Also, don't use just Fibs as just on its own, right? If you use, so you can look at that, right? That's a strong support or resistance too, right? It was a support, now should be resistance. So if you see multiple confirmations, right, right at Fibs, strong support and resistance, demand zones or whatever you want to call it, as well as you are using waves and exactly at some point, right? Those are the key multiple confirmations, right? Maybe you have a bad news, things like that, right? Always look for multiple confirmations, whatever technicals you use it. But this is something to add to your list of technical analysis. So yeah, that's it for today, and if you have any question or comment, don't forget to comment below, but that's about it. Thank you.